Hey everybody, welcome back to the Printing Workshop. I'm Matthew and today I'm going to show you how to change a toner on a Xerox B410 printer. Alright, the first thing to do is open up the front cover by pushing the button on the right side of the machine. And that will pop it open. Lay that down, and then right inside is your toner cartridge. You grab that orange handle and pull straight out and away from the machine, and there's your toner. Put your toner back into the machine. They have a slide on the side, and that slide goes in right where these orange arrows are. Give it a little wiggle, slide it down into the machine, click it in place, and then you close your front cover, latch it in place, and you are back up and running. If you'd like to see the only other video for this model, click here. If you'd like to see more videos on printer content, like and subscribe.